Guys, got another review. This is a room darkening curtain rod in black. It's got hidden hinges. It's Amazon Basics. And this is basically what you get in the box. You got some screws, a booklet showing you how to install it. Not sure what this is. Some Chinese box which holds your hardware. These are the hinges that go onto the wall, and they face inwards, so they're pretty much hidden like that. And then your rod. The size is in the description if you're interested in this. I'm using these type of drapes here with the big rings on the top. Right now I'm using a paint pole, by the way, so this should be a bit of an improvement. But let's set it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so the end pieces are threaded. There's a threaded bolt that goes into there, and you just basically turn it on. One sticker, obviously, for this end here, and then there's a thinner one for this side here. Pretty straightforward from there. I'll get my drill, basically line it up, screw it up, and be done with it. To put the curtains in, you just pull it apart, obviously, and go from there. Oh, and these piece here is soft rubber, so it's not metal against metal. Not bad. It was pretty much straightforward, as you can see. If you still have to remove your drapes when it's up, you don't have to take it down. You can just turn this out, push it this way, and pull your drapes out. Just enough of a gap that it doesn't hit the wall, so they keep their crease, sort of. But yeah, it works. So I'm quite happy with that. I have to take a little bit of tweaking to get these curtains the way I want them, but it looks pretty good for what I paid for them. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. They're pretty solid. I mean, they're more solid than the plain white ones that you can get that tend to fall right off the on the end here. These are pretty solid. You can hang off of the ends. Good deal. Later.